what's up my beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you are coming to watch my videos. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, whereby I go by the name Why Not Betty. Guys, today is another day, a beautiful day where I'm thankful to God for the care and protection He has offered unto me. Guys, today is a special day whereby I'm going to make potato snack, evening snack. It will involve potatoes, guys. I will use wheat flour. I will also use cooking oil. Yeah, guys, welcome to my content today. Remember to subscribe. For those who have not subscribed, guys, subscribe to my content, comment, like and share. Guys, for those who have subscribed, thank you so much. And for those who have not yet subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my videos. You will see amazing videos, guys, as we move on. Yeah, guys, welcome again and again and again. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell also a friend. Comment, like and share, guys, all my videos. I love you all. Let's continue. We are going to start with peeling our potatoes. These are potatoes, guys. We start peeling them. That's how we do it. We peel our potatoes. Yeah. Guys, I've finished peeling my potatoes. I wash them. Yeah, I wash my potatoes here. That's how I'm doing it. After we have done washing your potatoes, guys, you chop your potatoes into small pieces. Not all that small, but size pieces like those ones, guys. Yeah. After you are done with chopping your pieces of potatoes, guys, you boil them to around 10 minutes. You recook, just recooking, not to make them cook the whole of them, but to recook for a little bit, guys. And let's do it. You put them, you recook them. Yeah, we light our fire here, and our spray is here, guys. Then we light our fire. See? Guys, then you put your potatoes inside the sufria with water. You recook them. You add a small salt, a pinch of salt. Don't put a lot. Salt helps your food to cook faster. Then you cover with a lid. You wait only for 10 minutes. Let's wait. Guys, as you wait for your potatoes to be ready, you get a bowl. Yeah. Then you measure your wheat flour. This is a wheat flour, tofu or papas. That is it. You measure 2 serving spoons. 1, that is 2. Yeah. Then you want turmeric, 1 teaspoon turmeric. You want it to your fry. That's 1. Don't put a lot, okay? Then you stir. You see? After you stir that way, guys, then you add your warm water. I had already warmed my warm water here. Then you add it there. You start stirring. You see? But guys, if you wish to add another coloring spice, you can add. But me, I prefer adding turmeric. Yeah, it's good to take care of your health. So I prefer adding turmeric. I can also add cumin, whichever spice that you wish to have. But for me, today I'm having turmeric. I stir like this, not thick, not watery, something to be with, like, you see how it is? It has its own color, you see guys? You stir it until it is, you are not seeing the fry. You continue stirring, guys, you see? Guys, that's how your mixture is. And you can also as well put salt if you like, but for me, guys, I'm not adding anything. It will be just only potatoes and salt. But if you prefer putting salt, it's well and good. Yeah, guys, after you have finished stirring, you check for your potatoes whether they are about, not they are ready, but they are about to be ready. That's what I'm doing to my potatoes. Yeah, guys, they are about to be ready. You switch off the fire. Then we sieve the water so that they can remain only potatoes that are dry potatoes. Yeah, let's do it together. Guys, this is how our potatoes are. They are not yet ready, guys. So we add to our mixture. Yeah, little by little, not all of them, and make sure the mixture gets to those potatoes. You see this one? You see the way it is, guys? Yeah, that's how it is. We use our pan here. We light fire so that we can now deep fry the potatoes mixture that we have already made. Yeah. Guys, we put oil to our pan. Then you preheat the oil. You preheat the oil, guys. Let me show you. That's how our oil is. You preheat it for a while. Yeah. Then, guys, we add our potatoes to the oil. You see? Guys, this is how they are when you are frying them. You keep on turning, guys. You see how, guys, they are? You wait until they are ready. Keep on stirring them, guys. You keep on turning, not stirring, sorry. Keep on turning them. Yeah, you see how they are? They look amazing. They look wow, guys. They look wow. Yeah, you keep on turning them so that they cannot turn black. Yeah, cannot turn black. You see how they look yummy? Yeah. Guys, we are still adding more. Yeah, we are still adding more. They don't know whether they can see me. Yeah, I'm still adding more, guys. Yeah. Still adding more. Still adding more, guys. You see? Oh, they are coming out very well. They are coming out very well. Yeah. I'm adding more, guys. Yeah. Guys, this is how our yummy potatoes are. You see? This is how our yummy potatoes are. Are they nice, guys? Okay, guys, if they are nice, please subscribe. If they are nice, guys, please subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend as we enjoy our beautiful, guys, our beautiful potato snacks. Yeah, let's enjoy. You see, these potatoes, guys, they are very yummy. Very, very yummy. Very yummy. Guys, these potatoes, you can as well take them with the tea in the evening or in the morning or any other time. You can also take them as a snack. You see, guys? Yeah. Now, guys, subscribe. Please subscribe. This is the end of our recipe today. Bye bye. See you to the next video as you tell a friend to tell a friend. And I love you all. God bless you, my beautiful people, wherever you are. I love you. Mwah!